Hello, it's Phonics time with Rani. Listen to the letter names. Letter M, letter I, letter D, letter N. What sounds do they make? Listen and repeat after me. I, I, D, D, Now let's hear you say the sounds. Ready? You did it! You earned a star! It's Phonics time with Rani. Today, let's find out what words begin with these letters. Letter M. Monkey. Monkey. Moon. Moon. Mushroom. Mushroom. Letter I. 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 Igloo. Igloo. I. Iguana. Iguana. I. Insects. Insects. The letter D. 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 Dolphin. Dolphin. D. Donut. Donut. D. Duck. Duck. The letter N. Nose. Nose. Net. Net. Nails. Nails. Now, it's your turn to look for words and things that begin with I. D. Have fun!